Hello students, in this video we will learn about how to authenticate your Microsoft Teams account with the Microsoft Authenticator app. For that you have to install these two apps from the Play Store. So I have already installed these two apps from the Play Store on my mobile. Now click on the Microsoft Teams app and open the Microsoft Teams. Once you click on the Microsoft Teams app, the user interface like this. Okay. In that you have to enter email, phone or the Skype. Okay. So you have to enter here email address or the username provided by our school. So I am entering email address. @ips.boravade.com and then click on sign in. So it's signing. It will take some time. It's loading. So we will wait. So okay, now you have to enter here password provided by our school. So while entering a password, be careful because password is a case sensitive password. Okay, so type here password. And then click on sign in. So after this you will get a window like this, update your password. So you have to change your password here. Okay, so in the field of current password you have to type here the password provided by our school. Okay, so I am typing here 85. Then type here new password and confirm password. Okay, both password must be same. So type your new password. Okay, you can type here your own password, but this password must be other than the password we have previously used. Okay, so type your new password. Same password you have to type in the confirm password field. Okay, and then click on sign in. So you have to remember the password which you have changed. Okay, again it will take some time. Okay, so now your account name is there. Below that, help us protect your account. So in this screen you have to just click on the next button. Okay, don't click any other field here, means keep for now 14 days until this is required or use a different account. Don't click on these two options. You have to just click on the next. So click on the next. It's loading. Okay, again it will take some time. It's loading now. So okay, now keep your account secure. Microsoft Authenticator. Start by getting the app on your mobile. Install the Microsoft Authenticator app. So we have already installed this app. So click on the next button. So click on the next. Okay, again you have to click on the next. Don't do anything. You have to just click on the next. Okay, now there is a one code and URL is there. In sometimes there is a QR code. Okay, if you see there is a QR code, then take a photo of that QR code in your another mobile. Okay, keep it as with you. Okay, and at the time of the authentication in Authenticator app, you have to just scan this same QR code using this mobile. Okay, so here no QR code is there, so we use here code and URL. So don't click on this next button because we minimize this app now, that is the Microsoft app, and then we will go to the Microsoft Authenticator app. So minimize this app now, and now we will open the Authenticator app. Okay, so click on agree. Okay, you have to skip this. Now click on add account. Okay, then select second option, work or school account. So you have to choose or click on the second option, work or school account. So click on that. You will get two options, scan a QR code and sign in. So you have to choose a scan a QR code option. Okay, so we choose here scan a QR code. Click on this. Okay, so if you have a QR code, directly you can scan the QR code here. Okay, as I told you, you can put down the whatever the mobile phone, okay, from which you have taken the photo, and you can scan. Okay, we don't have a QR code, so we select option enter code manually, which is at the bottom of that screen. So select this. Okay, now code and URL is there, so we minimize this app and we go to the again Teams. From that we choose or copy the code here. Okay, copy the code, copy, again go to the Authenticator app, in the field of code paste it. Okay, next same thing we will do for the URL. Go to the Teams, select this HTTPS to this 28. Okay, copy, again you have to go Authenticator app, click on URL. So you have to remove this HTTPS because we have already copied this, paste. Okay, it's done. Now you can click on the finish. It's activating. Okay, so okay, account added successfully. Look here, University Public School and Junior College, and your account name. So again you have to minimize this app and go to the Teams and click on the next. Once you click on the next, approve the notification we were sending to your app. So you have to check your notification bar. There is one notification, approve sign in. So click on that and you have to just approve the message. So draw this pattern. Okay, approved. Now click on the notification approved. Click on the next button. Okay, so Microsoft Authenticator app was successfully registered. So click on the done, and your account is successfully authenticated or the register with the Authenticator app. So we are signing you in, please wait. Okay, so now your account is successfully added to the Authenticator app. So click on the next, got it. Okay, so it's your window of the Microsoft Teams account. So here activities there, teams are there, assignments, calendars, okay, and much more is there. So you can check your account. Okay, it's setting, available, notification, setting. So this is all about the how to authenticate your Microsoft Teams account with the Authenticator app. I hope all of you understood whatever the process we have seen or we have learned in this video, how to authenticate your Microsoft Teams account with the Authenticator app. And still, if you have any doubt regarding this authentication process, you can call our teachers or the office staff. Okay, thank you very much.